Let's see how I welded that edge all along. My phone doesn't want to focus. Phone's better than it used to be for focusing quick. Key to keeping everything straight is keeping everything straight. When you cut things, clean it up right away. Like these, they're going to be scrap. I kept them around because you might need them. I was going to have the bulges out, but I'm like, no, I don't know where the wheels are going to be. And it sit better on top of that weight panel. See, build as you go. You have to plan everything out first. Doesn't have to be on top or bottom, but in real life it does make a difference which way things are welded, but this is just a toy. It's a model. It's a toy. So if you rip the top off, you run down with wheels on here, people could sit on there. It's like, oh, this is nice. It's like a wagon. So it welded on. I put the piece panels on there. Everybody knows what that's from? It's from a Mac. Party wagon. RC Cola. Beer wagon. I put a lot of glue in there just because I needed to weld it together nice and tight. That seam didn't come out really good. I cut it back too far when I had to trim this, that bottom piece to fit in, because these weren't made to go one after another. The piece that this one's supposed to go into is a little bit different. This piece I trimmed off, I used it as a brace, like a gusset to help glue it in, but kind of like big piece of caulk, metal piece. Yeah, nice thick metal. In real life, I mean, we strengthen that area up. Here's my roof. Came out pretty straight. Glue them together first. You got a nice long straight desk or something. That's the best way to do it. Alright, check in again.